Welcome back to Autoscope 2026 Renault Motorhome. External, the body form will be aerodynamically tuned to lower wind resistance, improving fuel efficiency and fostering a more tranquil driving experience. Large windows with the potential for privacy and UV blocking glass. External connectivity, external charging connections are well integrated and positioned for convenience. Parking and navigating in tight spaces are made simpler with a 360-degree camera system. An attractive and practical option for a solar panel that helps with stationary home battery charging is an integrated solar panel. Interior, kitchen, big refrigerator freezer, built-in microwave, 2 or 3 burner induction stove, and sink with hot-cold water tap. Smart storage, use sliding shelves, soft closing cabinets and drawers, and hidden storage to maximize every available space. A fixed double bed in the back, a drop-down bed over the sitting area, or an adjustable bed from a sofa. Ambient LED lighting. Adjustable lighting creates a distinctive environment for every activity. Efficient diesel engine reduces emissions and improves fuel efficiency to meet Euro 7 standards. Hybrid PHEV or electric PHEV option. Renault may offer a fully electric or plug-in hybrid motorhome option by 2026, particularly for smaller models or for use in urban areas. Compared to conventional lead-acid batteries, lithium-ion batteries are lighter, have a larger capacity, and have longer charging cycles. The use of energy from solar panels, batteries, and other external sources is maximized via a sophisticated energy management system. Smart Home Control System. A single touchscreen or smartphone app controls every aspect of RV operations. USB ports, wireless charging in numerous places, and an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot are all examples of full connection. Advanced heating and air conditioning. A climatic system that works well, possibly with a diesel heater built in and a silent roof air conditioner. Control system. A single touchscreen controls every aspect of the motorhome.